Hello. In this short video, we're going to give you a brief introduction to the Apptivo platform, and specifically, we're going to take a look at the field service solution. To start, if you're new to Apptivo, what we are is a cloud platform of over 65 integrated business apps. So what you'll see is apps that do all areas of business, from marketing to sales, quoting, work orders, and ticketing management, and billing, all packaged into one platform. We have all of these different apps available in each category, but the way that it's designed is you don't pay for each app that you might want to use. It starts off at just $10 per user per month, and that will give you access to all of these apps, the entire platform. So we're widely known as one of the most affordable CRMs out there, and we can do pretty much everything that your company needs to do. If we go and look at all of those apps, they're all available in an app store, so we only need to pick and choose the apps we want, meaning we can deploy Apptivo as a simple work orders application, or you can go end-to-end across the entire lifecycle of your customer, like is displayed here. So what we have is at the core of the whole platform, you have these profiles for each company and or individual that you work with, and then we can track all of their basic information. We have built-in email integrations and calendar integrations to have details on notes and history with each person. And then what we have is marketing tools where we can put people into lists, send out mass emails, and track who's opened them. We have a sales pipeline where we can move people through the sales process. We can build out automated emails and workflows. We have a quoting application, which is very popular in field service, where we can create quotes with our products and services and send them out to our customer for approval. And then we have our ticketing, our help desk application, which has a portal and the ability for customers to email you to request new services or report problems. And all of these can be turned into work orders, which is where we can actually assign our reps and dispatch them out, track the time and materials that they're spending on the job, and then we can send that out for approval and finally bring it into invoicing. So we have the invoicing and billing solution in Apptivo. We have credit card integrations to go and track your payments. And then we integrate with some of the most popular accounting platforms out there, including QuickBooks and Xero. So that's at a high level what Apptivo is going to accomplish, but the whole platform, it is mobile friendly. All of the different apps that we have, especially the work orders, are going to be available on Android, iOS, and Windows Mobile. Also, you can access the web, and the website itself can be accessed from a mobile device, and there's a mobile version of the website. So as long as you have an internet connection, you will be able to get to your data. And recently relaunched onto the mobile applications is actually some level of offline access, which is great for the field service application as well. So as we mentioned, all these apps are available at a single price. So just $10 per user per month. You'll get everything that we've just spoken about. So we're widely known as the most affordable solution out there by Capterra. And with that, let's go ahead and give you a quick tour around the application. So now we've logged into Apptivo, and I've come straight to my work orders app. So this is where somebody would come to view their overall list of work orders. You'll see that I've got a list in the middle. I can break down work orders by status over here on the left, or I could go and search through based on any details and get a list of my work orders up here. When we go and bring up the details of one work order, what you'll see is it's linked up with the customer. So in this case, I've got a work order for the Rush Bar and Grill. You can see which contact it's for, any phone numbers or address details that I want to pull over from the CRM can be visible instantly right here. You can see that you can set up a service delivery window, assign a technician on who's going to go out there. And then down here, I have a standard database of products and services that I can go and include, such as having like a destination fee or standard hourly rate or an actual database of products. And this is the work orders application, but as we mentioned, I could have an estimate and my quote could be turned into a work order. So maybe we go up here, we take a look at the estimates app, and up here, okay, let's go and let's just take one of these existing estimates I have inside. You'll see it's got a lot of the similar details. It's linked up with the customer account, but in this case, I've got an estimate for some lighting fixtures and some wall outlets that we'll be going and installing for this customer. So once they accept our estimate, which, if we want to show them the details, we have built-in email integration. We can email an estimate directly out to the customer, print out this form from the system at any time. And then when they approve it, I simply convert it into a work order. Then this work order, I would go and allocate out to a particular rep. So I can allocate it to Kent right here. We go ahead and we create that. And typically from the mobile perspective, our rep would be going in from the mobile application. They need to navigate on site and go track their time and materials. So here I've got the Android app, and I can view a list of my work orders like this. But for Android particularly, and iOS, we have this map-based view. So I can open this up, and then what it'll do is it'll plot each one of the jobs on the map right here. And I can simply click on one. It'll give me the details of the work order. I can navigate directly there, or I can bring up the full information from my mobile device, and I can do all the updates and everything directly from here. So I can come through, I can make changes. Let's say if I need to snap a photo and upload a photo and attach it to the work order, I can do so directly from here. And if I even need to send it out or download a PDF file and print it out from a mobile printer or just email it to the customer, I can also do that from right here inside of the mobile application. So the idea is, you'll come in here, you mark it off as completed, and then back in the web application, the team can go and take it forward to an invoice. So the entire system is kind of built to flow from one step to the next. Everything is all packaged into a single database. So what that means is as I'm doing invoicing and quoting and work orders, we mentioned the CRM was at the heart of everything. So you'll notice throughout that whole process, I never re-entered an address or an email or phone number or anything. The system knows to carry it all throughout. And then let's say that I want to go back and view the history of the Rush Bar and Grill. I can bring up their central customer profile, and I have all of the different details here. So what you'll have is their basic information, which once again, you can customize this page. I've got a list of contacts who work there, and I've got all their history across the top, which this would include an automated set of any emails that you've exchanged with them. We do automatic email tracking with all of your customers. We'll keep this newsfeed history. So any sort of billing or work orders or quote activity that's going on, it'll all get logged into one central feed. And you got this 360-degree view. So mine's defaulted to show a whole history, every work order I've ever sent to them. We do have that help desk system, so I could see a history of help desk tickets, history of invoices. Everything is going to be packaged into this one platform. And that's really what makes Apptivo special. So that's a quick overview of the Apptivo work order solution. If you'd like to learn more, please check us out at youtube.com/Apptivo.